Are you ready?
Welcome to the Radisson Blu East Midlands Hotel, Airport Hotel I should say. Look at this, this is a premium room with a one-way view which I'll show you in a little bit, but we're starting our tour here in the bathroom. We've got Radisson branded shampoo, conditioners, body wash. Bathtub with a rainfall shower which I'm looking forward to trying out. I love the Radisson Blu products because they always smell very nice with goji berry and sea salt extracts. One thing I do appreciate is the shaver's only charger, so I can charge my toothbrush if I need it to as well. And you're probably thinking, where's the toilet? The toilet is in here, and it's a little hole here. Really nice and comfortable. Got a mirror here. Yes, I'm in shorts and t-shirts because I just had a spray tan, don't judge. Now to use these like leather things to pull out into the closet. We do have some storage in these drawers as well. We've got shoe shine, polish and a little bag as well, making a lot of noise. Iron and ironing board. Forgotten to mention as well, there is some bathrobes at the top there as well. The hairdryer's hanging up in there as well. And then we come into here. It is the main bedroom. Got loads of plugs and USB bedside lamps just alongside there. We have a table there. Really nice comfy seats. I must say this is very comfortable to sit in. And this is our runway view. Hopefully there'll be some planes taking off. It's a little bit quieter at the moment, but hopefully there'll be some planes taking off very soon. See one of the landmarks of East Midlands over there. I don't know what they're called, but I've seen them on my train simulator game. If anyone knows the name, drop them in the comments and let me know. But it's a lovely, lovely view. I can see some cargo planes over there as well. I know tomorrow we're going on a plane. We're going with Ryanair to Palma, Mallorca, so that should be interesting. And then if I zoom back out, this is the view. And then we have over here mirror. You could just move in and out, which is a good idea, like that. We have tea, coffee facilities. We have an espresso machine as well, and hot chocolate facilities there. We got a safe, and the fridge is filled, by the way, so we can have free whatever's in the fridge for free. So cool. And there you are, guys. That is the room tour here at the Radisson Blu East Midlands Hotel Airport. Stay tuned for the bed test. Right, I am not going all hard out on this bed test, guys, because I just had a spray tan, and I do not want to ruin the bed. So, this is nice and springy, very comfortable, and very, very nice. So this should be a really good room for the night. So that's it, guys. That's it for me. I hope you have a lovely time, and I'll see you soon for the next room tour.